GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Get up to 10% instant cashback offer on Vivo V30e. Pre-book now.
I was the bold one. I was the one who really did. I was a rebel. I would, if somebody said ये औरतों को नहीं करनी चाहिए, मैं वही करती थी.
You were supposed to do Saraswati Chandra, if I'm not wrong. What was that meeting and how did that eventually translate into Hira Mandi?
I met Sir and thinking that he would not remember about the meeting when I met him 10 years back, but he did. And I kind of saw a certain belief in Sir's eyes about me that I could play whatever he thought of about the character.
He didn't want me. He wanted Madhuri ji and he wanted either Madhuri ji or Kajol. So I said, ये अगर ये दोनों ना करें ना संजय, तो मैं करूँगी. Because I loved Annie's role and I loved the cinema. I went to his office and I said, I am still in awe of Madhuri ji. She is a phenomenal actor, phenomenal dancer, such a beautiful artist she is. So those days, you know, there was no sense of equality and stuff like that. So I felt I would be like a second lead or something like that. And out of sheer stupidity, you know, and insecurity, I didn't do that film. And I will always regret not really working with Yash Shah.
I was very overweight for a very large part of my life. I think I've been overweight for longer than I've been this weight. So I really struggled with perception, how
Body
people
image.
look at me and body image. But I think after watching myself on the monitor through sometimes the way Sanjay sir presented me, I think it's helped me gain a lot of confidence.
I have watched the show like the first 2 episodes thrice and the 3rd, 4th and 5th episode twice. So once you start watching it and then you watched it and then you go back and you rewatch it, you join the dots, you realize that there are nuances in every scene, in every facial movement, in every relationship that you guys have. And you know, when you see the trailer, you feel like, okay, you are a cruel person, Malika Jan is the cruel matriarch there, but everybody is grey. And how lovely it is to have 6 women with grey shades. Ma'am, लज्जा की थी आपने बहुत साल पहले, इतने साल लग गए to have women of that stature and to put a film like this, you know.
I agree. Because even Lajja had like really strong women and from different strata of society and speaking up and doing things and बहुत साल लग गए लेकिन अभी और होनी चाहिए, you know, जैसे क्रू चली है अभी. And Hira Mandi आई है. Hira Mandi is with big bang of women and sisterhood, you know. So I really hope it kind of inspires other filmmakers to make something like that.
But do you feel like जो women को ना label किया जाता है, तब के ज़माने में यही होता था, आपके शो में भी वही दिखाया गया है कि you know women are labeled very easily and very often. Do you think that has not changed even till date in the industry? Like there are so many labels that you guys have dealt with professionally, personally, in life. Do you think that has not changed?
No, I think a lot has changed and there's room for more to be better for sure. But I think today's women always speak up for themselves, which I love about it. And I think somewhere I've seen a lot of change of women standing up for themselves, women standing up for other
Each
women.
other. Yeah.
And also men joining in their fight. So I think the society has evolved to be a better society somewhere.
And I don't know if it's just my social media algorithm, but I think overall social media at one point, right before, during lockdown and right after, around pre, during and post, has really peaked in terms of just using it as a tool to bring people down, using it as a tool to like speak your mind facelessly. I think today somewhere it has settled. It could just be my algorithm on Instagram, I don't know. But I feel like it's calmed down a little bit and there's a lot more support that it's giving.
A lot more support which is coming forward.
And rather than just using it to tear people down, like before it was ruthless destruction, the comments, the videos creators were making. So today I think it's become a lot more useful and productive.
And even if somebody is making like a nonsensical comment and, you know, harsh unnecessarily, there are people who kind of condemn that.
Absolutely.
Even in that. So that means people have started, you know, disliking just unnecessary, you know, bad, wrong comments.
So I think it's a good, like
I think it's a good
thing.
thing,
Yeah,
absolutely. Absolutely. I think, and it's morally also, I think it puts the person down and why would you want to do that?
Yeah.
I just feel that have a mind of your own, have an opinion of your
Really
own,
wish
and
I
just
could
do
reply
whatever.
to
There were
every
times
comment
when
and
something
why.
rubbish was written about me, and when I was looking at the comments, I didn't have to do anything because of those people are only saying, ki, what is this rubbish?
I have
You know?
people talking like really bad things about me. You read the comments, and suddenly now after Hira Mandi and whatever work I'm doing, those are the same people who are talking good about me. So
Yeah.
their opinions keep changing about us, you know.
I was the bold one. I was the one who really did. I was a rebel. I would, if somebody said ये औरतों को नहीं करनी चाहिए, मैं वही करती थी.
Woohoo, Monisha man!
So I was, and my mother supported me throughout this. My mother made me that, you know, and so I've always put foot on my mouth. I've never had. It's only with time and I realize I need to choose my battle. I don't want to be fighting unnecessarily and waste this thing. But people are very scared to speak up.
Yeah.
And there was this definitely, it is okay for men to do or the actors to do. It was definitely not okay for the actress to do. There was so much of disparity on that, you know. And actresses would be labeled very quickly and judged very quickly. And but times have changed.
I think also OTT has
I
played
love
a
the young
huge role in.
generation.
Yeah, I think
You know.
OTT has changed the way people look at things, because that's one platform which is unafraid to try out different experimental stuff, and that's why you. I think I said that, but we used to say content is king, but now it's queen also.
Yeah. No, content is the
Always queen for you, I know.
It was always a queen, because I feel that any film that has not given respect to women has not worked.
So true.
If you
So
look
beautiful.
at even the littlest women characters, female characters that have been there in films, if that film in their content has been disrespectful to women, I was just discussing it with my mother. Because when I was talking to her, so I was telling, and she told me that in Bengal also, that I'm from Calcutta, tells me, जिस भी डायरेक्टर ने या एक्टर ने औरतों की इज्जत नहीं किया ना, इवेंचुअली शायद वो पीक पे गया होगा, पर वो गिरा बहुत जल्दी है, बिकॉज वो हमारी तहजीब में है कि यू हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट women. And I love Sanjay sir, because you know, today when he has 6 women, he's actually not pitted you guys against each other. It would be the easiest thing to do. Like Anju Mahindru's character said कि अच्छा लगता है, मजा आता है जब तवाइफों के बीच में जंग छिड़ती है. But you know, it's all for the cameras, and off cameras he made sure that you guys are given equivalent parts.
Absolutely.
Which is possibly the biggest reason why we don't have multi-stars today. Was that one memory that you have of Sanjay sir, which is that one Sanjay Leela Bhansali memory? I'll start with you, because of course you have different memories.
You're saying one in my whole life?
No, you give me 2, 3.
I don't know, there's just a way that Sanjay sir walks onto set in. Like, he has a certain walk. You'll see him walks into a room, he walks with that much swag only. He walks with a certain lot of focus, thought, and that. And then there was one day where he was, Aditi does this very well, where he's like hassled about something. He's like, "Har, har, har," and the dogs on set. One of the dogs' name is Janu. So he's like, "Har, Janu."
He does that.
It was the cutest thing ever to see that man is so focused on what he's doing with his work, but also just so loving towards everyone, especially dogs. We have a full cricket team of dogs on set that we
Lovely.
followed and kept.
Yeah, I think that's such an endearing quality about Sanjay. In all the set the pets and animals were looked after so much. I've not seen that anywhere in this other sets.
But you know, he has given interviews where when he was actually starting off to become a filmmaker and he wanted to make Khamoshi, he faced so much of rejection, and he has always gone and said that there are 2 people, like the entire cast and especially you and Salman sir, you guys supported him through and through, and he always remembers that. What made you believe in him? Because at that point na ma'am कोई देखता भी, उनके पास कुछ था भी नहीं portfolio दिखाने के लिए, but you have believed in him then.
Yeah, see, the thing is, when he was assisting Vinod Chopra and we were doing songs, we all became very good friends. And I have, I don't know, I mean, he said, Manisha, can I make you read my script? I said, de do yaar. So I read the script and I loved it, you know, and I always say this to Sanjay. I said, Sanjay, your script had magic.
Absolutely.
It was so poetic, it was so beautiful, it was such, you know, so I just said कि I'm not your he didn't want me. He wanted Madhuri ji, and he wanted either Madhuri ji or Kajol. So I said, ये अगर ये दोनों ना करें ना संजय, तो मैं करूँगी. Because I loved Annie's role and I loved the cinema. And it was so good that Salman did it, and throughout the whole this thing, I was very happy that others didn't do, and I got the chance to be working in Kamoshi.
What about you, Sangeeta? You were supposed to do Saraswati Chandra, if I'm not wrong. What was that meeting, and how did that eventually translate into Hira Mandi?
I met Sir and thinking that he would not remember about the meeting when I met him 10 years back, but he did. And I kind of saw a certain belief in Sir's eyes about me that I could play whatever he thought about the character. Because in the meeting, he did not really tell me about what he's meeting me for. He just told me, don't talk about this meeting to anyone. And that's what I did. But I think it's very fascinating to be around that man. I'm always in awe of him.
Yeah.
Just because his passion and his perseverance towards his work is constant.
True.
With every scene, with every shot, that man wants to reinvent himself, evolve himself, and he wants to get better with everything what he does. And that's why the kind of cinema what he offers to our country is something which nobody can ever attempt to do.
Absolutely.
What I love about him the most is the fact that he's one of the most celebrated filmmaker who makes such amazing, grand films, and he lives such a simple life.
Yeah.
I think that's such an endearing quality about him, you know. He wears his cotton kurta, cotton pajama, and he's a simple person. And then he makes such grand stuff, you know, and I just find that he doesn't ever get carried away with the fame and the name and the glamour and the stature. He doesn't get carried. His only attention is the work.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, lastly, I'm gonna say this, that the characters that you guys play are deeply laden with pain, angst, and a lot of insecurities. Something that possibly all of us go through in our daily lives with whatever, professionally, personally, but we never really speak about it much. You have spoken in an interview recently that I saw that you didn't want to do, didn't do Dil To Pagal Hai because, you know, you felt that I didn't want to step up in front of Madhuri ji, and then you guys did Lajja.
Yeah.
What were the different kinds of insecurities that you guys have eventually dealt with? And that's how we are going to end this interview. We'll start with you, ma'am.
So basically, I said I regret not working with Yash Chopra Saab because he made such amazingly beautiful women-centric cinemas and love stories. And he did offer me something, and I went to his office and I said, I am still in awe of Madhuri ji. She is a phenomenal actor, phenomenal dancer, such a beautiful artist she is. So those days, you know, there was no sense of equality and stuff like that. So I felt I would be like a second lead or something like that. And out of sheer stupidity, you know, and insecurity, I didn't do that film. And I will always regret not really working with Yash Saab, you know. So I just lost that chance.
I think for me, insecurity comes a lot from the kind of people you're surrounded with and the energies what you're surrounded with. There would be people in your life who constantly try to put you down, and that's when you feel that, oh no, you can't do it. But on the other hand, when you have people in your life who want you to do better and who want you to be the best in whatever you're doing, then you don't feel insecure. And also, I think I'm in that phase of my life where I'm secure in what I'm doing. I'm content with what I'm doing, and mashallah, my platter is quite full right now.
What about you, Shami?
I mean, one thing that I've always struggled with in my life, and it's kind of, Hira Mandi's kind of helped me overcome that because it's given me a certain amount of confidence, is my appearance, because I was very overweight for a very large part of my life. I think I've been overweight for longer than I've been this weight. So I really struggled with perception, how
Body
people
image.
look at me and body image. But I think after watching myself on the monitor, through sometimes the way Sanjay sir presented me, I think it's helped me gain a lot of confidence this entire process of working with him in Hira Mandi.
And the beauty lies in his vision. I think he visualizes women as women and not as mere objects, not for any conforming them.
Flaws, and he looks past your flaws, and he kind of enhances your good qualities, where it just ends up working out and makes you confident when you come out as a woman from a Sanjay Leela Bhansali project. Your confidence just soars.
Absolutely. And ये question नहीं है, but इसी के साथ end करेंगे. But I want to tell you that because we can't speak too much before the release, I hope that we get a chance to do a full like a scene breakdown with the entire the 6 women that have made Hira Mandi what it is, along with of course Sanjay sir and his team. But I want to tell you that the scene where you go into the water with that thing. The scene, there are many scenes, but one scene where you're just sitting and you're putting those earrings on and you're telling something to Aditi's character, I'm not going to say what, and your scene in the first episode where you are like, the shift that happens from that main chor nahi hu to whatever happens next. I feel these are powerful scenes, and kudos to the writers for writing something like this, and the world is going to see the magic on May 1st. I've actually had the opportunity to see it in 5 episodes, waiting for the next 3, but I know it's gonna be a winner. And thank you for doing this. It genuinely felt warm, and I hope we do this more often.
Thank you, Nayan.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Get up to 10% instant cashback offer on Vivo V30e. Pre-book now.